They're very good quality and the most affordable on the market right now. I definitely love them. You could buy any of these solar generators here and have enough power to run your whole house, but you're gonna pay a premium price to do that. What I recommend is instead use the most affordable server rack battery that I have found, which is made by EcoWorthy. Now, each one of these batteries is 5.12 kilowatt hours, or 5,120 watt hours. By having 2 of these batteries, I've got 10 kilowatt hours, and it's easy to go even up to 6 of these batteries for over 30 kilowatt hours of total battery capacity. That allows me to get 120 volt and 240 volt split phase power to run my whole house. And all it took was 4 simple wires. In order to add solar to it, it's just 2 more cables, and you can even have a generator recharge this whole system and recharge the batteries so that everything can be running smoothly for your whole house. So even if there's really bad weather, you can run the whole house with ease, with a gas generator, with solar, with batteries, whatever setup you need. But this is the craziest part. To give you a quick comparison, 6 kilowatts split phase power, 10 kilowatt hours of battery, 10 kilowatts of solar input for $3,500. This is $3,500. So for the exact same price, you can get a slightly larger inverter, but half the battery and less than half of the solar input compared to this setup right here. And so many people have done teardowns of this, proving that they're using grade A top quality battery cells that I'm not concerned about the internals at all. Their temperature sensors work. It has all the overcurrent protection that you want. All of the protections that you would typically find in a high-end battery, you're still gonna find in the EcoWorthy battery. You do get a bunch of little accessories, including the handles that you can add on your own, as well as a grounding cable, communication cable, and some heat shrink, which I'm not really sure where you'd put that. You're also gonna get the user manual and the user manual for the app, as well as a safety card. Now, in terms of the EcoWorthy battery itself, it's proven to be a very reliable battery. Turned everything on and voila, everything was working perfectly. So I ran a constant load of about 3,200 watts for about 45 minutes nonstop off of this and had 0 issues at all. That's about the equivalent of running an air conditioner nonstop, depending on the size of the air conditioner. So this whole setup is fully capable of running that, and I was charging off of solar at the same time. So I had solar coming in, battery power going to the inverter, and then inverter running the crypto miner. This can very easily run a whole house. And the fact that these are only $850 each, and the next best ones are almost $100 more, I can't recommend the EcoWorthy server batteries enough. I've had 0 issues with them. Everybody else seems to have had great reviews about them. I definitely love them. Bottom line is, if you're looking for a server rack battery, definitely check out the EcoWorthy.